Good afternoon and welcome to another ACY Securities market update. My name is Alistair Schultz and I'm going to be your host through today's trading journey. So the first thing we're going to be discussing this afternoon is actually stocks and the indexes that are correlated from them. We've seen across the board today that we've had a number of stocks going down in value, and that is evident in what we look at on these markets as well in the indexes. The S&P 500 is down by 1.2%. The cost by index out of Korea is down by 3%. The ASX 200 down by 2.3%. The Hang Seng down by 1.6%. The Shanghai Composite down by 1%. And Euro Stoxx 50 is down by 1.7% as well. Now, we're seeing this across the board. A number of people have come out and sort of said that it's likely to be coming from the impacts from the coronavirus. Upon further looking and research on this, you find as well that 1 in 5 companies on the S&P 500 have stated that they are likely not going to be meeting their revenue as required or what they have forecasted for this quarter due to the coronavirus and the impacts that it's having from the supply and demand phases, and of course from those supply chains as well. So from there's not been huge amounts of news going on. As you can see with the bank holiday that we've had for Japan, currencies have been relatively flat. There's not been much movement. The most range you're sort of getting is that 25-30 pip range. The rest of them are sitting sub under 10 or 11. I personally haven't found anything that I feel comfortable placing a trade on today, but I'm hoping that during the European session and London Open, we'll see some movement sort of happen then. So that's really all we have for today in terms of an update, but things to keep in mind on the London and the New York sessions. At 8 p.m. tonight, Australian Eastern Standard Time, we have the German IFO Business Climate Report. We also have UN conferences that are covering over today and tomorrow. So there's a number of speeches on varying topics, everything from human rights to economic policy. So keep an eye on what's going on there. I don't think we'll see huge impacts from the UN stuff, but good to keep a close eye on it anyway. And then 5:30 a.m. tomorrow, we have the Bank of England's chief economist, Andy Haldane. He is going to be speaking on obviously monetary policy related stuff. So keep an eye on all those and hopefully you have a good trading day ahead. Of course, if you have any questions or you'd like to get in contact with me, feel free to send me an email at talktoal@acy.com. And of course, like and subscribe the video so that you get more content and updates from us in the future. Have a good trading day ahead.